RPG game, and it's kind of a top-down Diablo open world type game with some survival aspects to it. If you want to see some tutorials on how I've accomplished some of the things, please leave some comments below. It's pretty simple right now. We're just using Bolt and nodecanvas and some scripting. I'm using magica voxel to make some of the graphics just because it's easy. I also do have Maya, so eventually that will come into play. Right now you can just walk around, do your inventory, collect blocks for your money, do pickups, do your bank. And my keyboard is lagging right now, so there we go. And I'm using Inventory Pro for the bank and inventory. That's why it's the default UI. There's some cool things that I think that I have accomplished here. We got a Inventory Pro events graph that I've hooked into Bolt. All of these events are coming from a script that I made. We'll go to our namespace here and we'll go to Inventory Pro hooks and we'll open up the helper. We have all of these so that in Bolt we can remove items easy, get items, add, get currency, all of that good stuff. And for our stat definitions, I wrote a small script that just gets the stat values and sets them. This will be more modular later on. And we have our pickup items. This can be used from Bolt also. See, we trigger the custom on the player. If you want to see a tutorial on how to hook up Inventory Pro to Bolt, I am more than happy to do that. And I'll show you the stat. Let's see. We'll show you the stats graph. If I can find it. I've been working on the skill system, which is not tied into Inventory Pro. I am not doing that. I'll hit this. So this is the simple stats. These are being called from the script. And this is my script file getting them stat values. Now eventually after I prototype, I'm going to change all of this probably to C# again. But the reason that I like Bolt is I can change all of these values while the game is running, so we'll hit play. Now you can see in Bolt the firing of my thirst meter changing right here. And my little guy moving around. He's just got a trail on his sword. And he's doing damage to the enemies with a collider on his sword. We're doing the pickup. This gold block is going to be the currency for bricks, so I just picked it up, so I have 10 bricks. And this cube, I just attached a script to for when I hit spacebar it moves around, but eventually that is the animation that's going to happen when you open a chest and it throws out all the currency and items. The bank text is not going to be there. That is just a test for having a world UI looking at the camera as I walk around. I have shields that I can use. When you want to change the skill on your buttons, you hit this, pretty simple stuff, but it's looking pretty cool so far. I hit my cooldowns, gave me a water shield, which is pretty cool. It'll expire after 10 seconds. So yeah, come a long way in 4 days I've done this. So I'm more than open to turning this into a tutorial series if you guys would like that. A little bit about myself. I'm a traditional artist and just got into digital art. I have a XP pen drawing screen that I use on my Mac, and it's pretty cool. I can leave all my office setup in the description if you guys want to see what I'm working with. I have a 4K monitor, a Ryzen desktop with 16 gigs of RAM, RX 580 8GB video card. Yeah, pretty sweet setup for not much money. And I've been programming since probably I was 14. I'm 36 now, so I pretty much know what I'm doing. I'm not new at all. I've used Unity before and Unity 5, but I am coming back, so everything's kind of new, so you might see me look up things while I'm programming, but that's no big deal. Everybody does that. If you like live streams of my game, I'm willing to do that also. I'm here to help everybody. And I don't mind showing how my game is being made. It's no secret. It's no big deal. Well, I hope you guys liked what I have so far, and I hope to have this as a weekly update on my game's progress. I'll share my game design documents, all of that. You can vote for features, suggestions, what I'm doing wrong, like, dislike, I don't care. Just if you dislike, tell me why you dislike, or pop me a message. Alright guys, I'm going back to programming.